Welcome to today's cuts. We had some beautiful lavender quartzes come across today, and some amethyst with mica inclusions. That's a cool mica inclusion right there. Let's zoom in on that inclusion. Oh yes. So proud of my mica inclusions. This piece also has some mica inclusions on it. All of them do, really. If you really look hard enough. I added in some chalcedonies today. This one had a little brown streak and this one had an inclusion. Probably like some onyx or something in there. This is some lower grade carnelian that I ended up grading up good enough to cut today because I'm out of rough. And some obsidians. These I found in another video, and they have a lot of these lines. These are where the gas was trying to escape, and ended up making some interesting patterning. Thanks for hanging out.